Hey guys, welcome back to the Cob Barndominium, and we're going to take a look at some of the progress that we made in the past week or week and a half. The days are getting a little cooler. I think today it's only supposed to be about 99, and the rest of the week, so our 10-day forecast, looks like we'll stay, between 99 and 97. We've been having, 103, 105 degree days with heat indexes at 115, 116. So it's nice to have that little drop. So we've done a lot of work. We're going to go ahead and talk about the walls today. We finished a wall. We got a door project that just got finished. And we'll talk about where we're going. So we'll walk around to the front. Last time we saw the front, it was missing a pretty large hole. So you can see the glare is probably not good. Let's see here. There we go. So we are done all the way to the tin roof on the front. We did have a 3 foot by 5 foot hole or 4 foot by 6 foot hole on the front. Let's move inside real fast and we'll be able to see the inside as well. There was a smaller hole on the inside, but that has been closed obviously. And we'll get up on top and take a look at the plastering here in a second. But we've done a rough cob plaster. We didn't really alter the mix, but we're just trying to start smoothing things out and get things even. So let's go up there and take a look. Okay, we're up here on the second floor. Just taking a look at this wall here, stuck under this truss here. You can see that the cob is not perfectly smooth. We have been doing quite a bit of work just to, soften up the edges a little bit, make everything, look pretty decent for now. Make sure it's straight before we even start thinking about doing the plastering. So let's walk along here. Simon worked on the bookshelf yesterday. So the bookshelf is looking pretty smooth. That top up there is much better than it was before. And you can really see how it's going to start looking with our cubbies and our inlaid rock here. We'll walk across and just take a look at our cubbies. I went ahead and did some cobbing on this last week, and it's kind of in an odd spot. It's right above this door, and that piece is right under the roof. So we definitely have to give enough space for it to shrink since it dries out so fast with the heat. There we go. So there. You can see that cubby's almost done. Got a little bit more. I did start finishing off some wood here. You can see this. I don't know if you can, but you can see I got kind of a railing set up here. Well, yeah, we can't see anything because of the shadow. I'll try to get a better picture when the light's on the other side of the building next time. So, let's go ahead and go downstairs and let's look at our bathroom wall and our door. So there's the door. Just kind of panning out here, trying to get a wider angle. It is 100% California Redwood. I sourced it from the same store that I got this beam we talked about last time here. I bought the overhead door railway kit, whatever you call it, from Wayfair.com. I'm not an advertiser, just letting you know where I bought my parts from. It was pretty cheap. I think it was $140. The wood, I did buy all of the wood from Habitat from Humanity. It's 100% reclaimed I've found out that it was a really, really big, like, kids' play set. So it was an outdoor Redwood play set. And I scavenged quite a bit of wood from it, and we made this barn door kit, and I set everything in there with headlock structural screws. Let's get a look at that there. See? So, headlock structural screws. The door didn't need them, but I actually liked the way it looked. So that's actually why I chose that. There was just a wipe-on poly that I actually brushed on. You can see there. Let's get some video of it moving here. It took me a little bit to kind of adjust the track out, and it still nudges on a rock every once in a while. But for now, it does swing and roll very nice. And one of the things that we talked about, yeah, see there, it hit the rock. One of the things we had talked about is this, let's see if I can get it to stay. There we go. Is that this door would be used to cover both the pantry and the bathroom. You can see I had to take the frame down to do all this. But we did actually get that done. And it was a nice project. Took me about a week to finish. That's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. We're going to have another update video here real soon because I'm about to finish another project. And we're going to start working pretty heavily on this bathroom wall now. We need extra places to cob, since we're only really working on placing cob on one wall. We'll get a view of that real quick. It didn't change much. You can see we filled in on the right side a little bit here. But we're still waiting to connect with the roof on the left side so we can get some real work done. So we're just kind of looking for places to put cob until we fully transition to plastering and doing the floor. So that's it, guys. I really hope y'all liked it. Please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends, all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.